The loft tool is a rail tool, but with a specified rail curve. You'll find that it's extremely versatile. Here we've loaded a profile curve and then a circle for its rail curve. Loft looks like the rail icon with green stitches. We select the profile curve. Click the loft tool and it will prompt you to select a rail curve. Don't be alarmed if the result is unexpected. The first thing you'll do is rotate the profile curve to align it with the rail correctly. It's sensitive, so move the mouse slowly until you find the right position. You may find that it's helpful to reposition the view. In this example, the rail curve is shown on the bottom and one side of the tri-panel, while in the rail and cross-section tools, the profile was on the bottom with rails on the sides. You can move the rail curve to get a better view of the profile, or drag the profile without affecting the shape. Rotating either the rail or profile does alter the shape. Curve editing is possible on either curve. Here we add a lip to the profile. First, move a control point. Then grab its handle to move the edge in and under. That looks about right. So let's check it with a quick render. The loft tool is ideal for sweeping a rail path that travels to specific points. Here we'll load a scene with some cylinders, set up a 4-view layout, and use the Add Curve tool to draw a rail curve with control points in the center of each object. Use Close Curve, then right-click and drag up in perspective view to center vertically among the targets. Now it's just a matter of moving control points and adjusting their handles to smoothly route the path of the rail curve. Choice of open views is up to you. A top view with a side, front, or back view would be enough. Having a library of configurations for each scene works well, particularly if you'll be going back to work with it again. We'll just change one or two more, then skip ahead. If you have trouble selecting a hidden point, use another view window. Next, let's use a profile curve to sweep along the rail. While it's still selected, click the loft icon. The result looks a bit wide, so I'll use my mouse wheel to zoom in on the profile and scale it smaller. That's better. Let's see what it looks like rendered. There's one more application of the loft tool to show you before we move on. Here we load an object. Right-click it to enter edit mode and select one of its curves. Open the curve library, right-click and select Insert. Let's ignore this warning. Click the new curve and a copy will be placed in the scene. Select a tiny detailed profile curve to loft along our new copy. This warning may appear when selecting a curve so close to objects, but the loft will still work. And so it can be used to add detail.